And right there guys, when I turn my phone on again, I actually got the ShowBox app. What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the only working way to get ShowBox on your iOS device without spending a single dollar. This is the only working method guys, so trust me, you want to get ShowBox because you will be able to watch any movie, any TV series for absolutely free on your iOS device. So let's start out today's video by opening any browser and going to this site, appcheaps.com. So type in appcheaps.com. It is as easy as you see on your screen guys. So when you download the site, this is the front page. Actually scroll down and find the ShowBox icon, so it is right there. Tap on it. Okay guys, when you do tap on the apps you want to get, it will take us here. So get to this site, tap this get started button. Okay guys, let's wait a few seconds now. So guys, to inject our ShowBox Pro, we have to download two apps to pass this quick verification. So you just have to run two apps in order to get ShowBox Pro. So as you can see guys, scroll down, tap on any of these and it will take you directly to the App Store where you have to download the app. From all of these apps are completely safe and free, so you do not have to worry about anything. As you can see right there, the app is from the App Store, so it is completely safe and free. Okay guys, let's go back. As you can see, download and install, then run the app for 30 seconds. So that is the instructions for this app. Let's wait a few seconds. So download it from the App Store, go back, let's exit out to this, go here and do this for another app. So it is as easy as that guys. So I'm going to do this for these two apps, open them both for 30 seconds each, and after that I will be back with the next step. And that is it guys, I've opened both apps for 30 seconds each. Now let's exit out of everything. You can go ahead and delete the apps, you do not need them anymore, so just go ahead and delete them before the next step, which is the most important part of this whole entire video. Make sure that you restart your iDevice. So this is the most important part guys, make sure that you restart it. If by any chance you do not restart it, this will not work at all guys, trust me, I've tried it. So I'm going to turn my device on right now and I'll be back when it turns on. And right there guys, when I turn my phone on again, I actually got the ShowBox app. It is right there, it is completely working guys. So go get your free ShowBox for absolutely free. Go get your free movies and TV shows that you can watch on your iDevice whenever you want on appcheaps.com. So just type in appcheaps.com. It is the best site on the whole internet. Go get your free ShowBox. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite movie is that you watched on ShowBox. Leave a like, a comment, and please subscribe guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.